We are going to heat some olive oil in here, and I'm going to add a chopped onion and a chopped red bell pepper. This is finely chopped. We're going to let this cook for about 5-6 minutes until it's nice and soft. I'm gonna add 4 garlic cloves, which I minced. Gonna add a little more oil. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of paprika and 1 teaspoon cumin. If you want, you can add half a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm not, because the kids are gonna eat this. So now we're gonna cook that for, 1-2 minutes. I'm working on medium heat, by the way. I'm gonna add a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. So we're gonna break these up. We're going to let this come to a simmer now and let it cook down a little bit. I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. I'm gonna start adding some eggs to this pan. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna let these eggs cook. Wow, these are perfect. I'm gonna sprinkle some cilantro. You can use parsley if you hate cilantro, no problem. Let's serve this. Look at this. Doesn't this look beautiful? I'm gonna serve it with some pita bread on the side. Let's see how it is. Isn't that delicious? Gonna salt and pepper my egg. Let's taste the tomato. Oh my gosh, yummy. Our egg, perfect. Look at that, it's cooked like I like it, perfectly.